तस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello children, happy day. This is Abhinaya, Carnatic vocal teachers and academic group of schools. Today we are going to learn one Kirtanai Mahaganapatin, Ragam Natai, composed by Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. We will be learning the Kirtanai for 3 weeks. Okay. Today we will be teaching the Pallavi of the Kirtanai. Mahaganapatim. So first Sangadi is playing Mahaganapatim. Each Sangadi as usual you have to sing twice. Second Sangadi Mahaganapatim. Shri Mahaganapatim. Shri Maha 2 times. Third Sangadi Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami 2 times. Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami. Mahaganapatim Manasa. Fourth Sangadi Smarami. So 4 Sangadis. First one is plain Mahaganapatim. Second Sangadi Mahaganapatim. Shri. Third Sangadi Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami. Fourth Sangadi Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami. Fifth Sangadi Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami. After the fifth Sangadi you have to sing the next line Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita. After this you have to repeat the fifth Sangadi again Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami. Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim. So 5 Sangadis, each Sangadi twice. First Sangadi is plain, second Sangadi Mahaganapatim Shri, that is second Sangadi. Third Sangadi Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami twice. Fourth Sangadi Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami. Fifth Sangadi Mahaganapatim Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim. Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim. So this is the Pallavi part of the song. Please practice the Pallavi at home. We will see the Anupallavi in the next class. Week 2. Hello children, today we are going to learn the Anupallavi of the song. So I'll end the Pallavi and then I'll start with the Anupallavi. Hope you have practiced the Pallavi at home. Mahaganapatim Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim. Now Anupallavi of the song. Please listen to me carefully. Mahadeva Sutam. First Sangadi Mahadeva Sutam Twice as usual. Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam. Second Sangati. Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam. Third Sangati. Mahadevasutam Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam. Two times. Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam. So 4 Sangatis, each Sangati twice, last Sangati alone. You have to sing the next line and you have to sing the Sangati twice. Okay? Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam Mushika Vahana Modaga Priyam Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam Mushika Vahana Modaga Priyam. After this, you have to sing the fifth Sangati of Pallavi. Mahaganapatim Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim. So in the Anupallavi, first part you have 4 Sangatis, and then the fast Anupallavi Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam twice, and then you have to sing the 5th Sangati of the Pallavi and end the song. Okay, so I have taught you Sangati wise. In the next class, I will give the full structure of the song. I will sing the song alone without any instructions. I will sing the full song so that you can get a clear picture of the song. Okay, children, please practice each Sangati at home. See you in the next class. Bye. Week 3. Hello, children. Hope you have practiced the full song of Mahaganapatim. So today I am going to sing the full song without any instructions. Okay, I am not going to say this Sangati you have to sing twice. Here you have to put gamakas. No instructions. Just I am going to sing the full song so that you will get an idea. Okay, I am going to start. Mahaganapatim 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 Shri Mahaganapatim Shri Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim Mahadevasutam Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam Mahadevasutam Guruguhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam Mushika Vahana Modaga Priyam Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam Mushika Vahana Modaga Priyam Mahaganapatim Vasishta Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim. So this is the full structure of the song. Please use this as the reference video once you have practiced the full song. uh, with the Sangadis and Gamakas. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Bye bye. Hello, children. Today, as a part of warm-up training, I'm going to train you with ear training in Carnatic music. This is a very important training for a singer. So, what is this ear training? For this ear training, you have to always have the reference note as sa. Sa. This is always your reference note, correct? So if we change sa, all the swarasthanas will change. Sa, sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. So if we change shift sa, sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. So if you shift sa, so the entire swarasthanas change. So all the swaras are based on the reference note sa. So always divide your brain into two halves. That is the one for the reference note, that is sa, and the other for your voice. Okay, you have to always match the your shruti with and your singing tone. Okay, so if you slip out of the shruti, your brain should tell you that something is going wrong. So always try to listen to the shruti properly and then start singing. Okay, always tune your ears to listen to the scale properly, absorb it and sing on it. And also the second part of ear training is the notes to tune mapping and the vice versa. That is, for example, if we take a Sarli Varisai, the 8th Sarli Varisai, sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma pa da ni da pa ma ga ri sa. So we have the notes here, clear notes. So the notes are nothing but it's like the outside of the skin of the fruit. So if you open the skin, you have the fruit. So similarly, if you take out the notes, you have the tune. Tune is the fruit. Notes are like the skin of the fruit. So if you remove the skin, you have the fruit inside. So similarly, you have to see beyond the notes. You have to see the tune which is beyond the notes, which is located beyond the notes. Okay. Sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma pa da ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Okay, step 1, you have to try to encode the notes into tune, into the tune. So we can take a Janda Varisai. Sa sa ri ri ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ni sa ni da da pa pa ma ma ga ga ri sa sa. So the tune is so this is the first step. First you have to try to encode the notes into the tune, and once you are comfortable with this, you have to decode the tune into the notes. That is, for example, what are the corresponding notes? I am singing the 12th Sarali Varisai. Why is this part of ear training? You have to listen to the notes carefully. So your ears play a vital role here. So you have to listen to what I'm singing. If you listen to the tune carefully, you can decode the tune into the notes. So this is encoding is notes to tune, and decoding is the backward process, tune to the notes. Sa sa ni da pa. So this is ear training. You are listening through your ears, correct? So you have to listen to the tune carefully so that you can decode it into notes. You can listen to the notes carefully so that you can encode the notes into tune. Sa sa ni da pa ma pa ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga di sa. Okay. Only through practice you will be able to encode and decode the notes and the tune. So the purpose, as I told you earlier, we are singing Akara for Sandhi Varsai, Janda Varsai and all the Varsays. The purpose of singing Akara is to tone your voice and to make you sing complex notes.